How to link to an email address in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to link to a email address into your website of Squarespace. The process is going to be very easy. We are going to only write in two words, or a word composed of two words. So it is going to be very simple and very easy. We are going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to visit our account dashboard. Since we are here, we are going to select the website and make sure that it is going to work and not expired. And then we are going to see the website. After you have clicked and selected the website, you're going to see the, let's say, website editor showing up. So basically, we are going to select one of the pages that we want to add that specific, let's say here, specific email to. So how we can do that, you can go ahead and start by clicking on pages and select the page that we want to add, or we can go ahead and click on edit, which is going to be the same thing or the next step after also we have had added the page, and then we are going to find the content in here. So what are we going to do basically is going to head over here. For example, we're going to have here as you can see, some information about the specific restaurant that we're on in this specific team in here, or theme, or the topic, as you can see. So here you can go ahead and edit the footer. So I have added a text, and this text is could or can be modified. So for example, we are going to type in the name of that specific, let's say, contact, or the email attack at gmail, for example.com. And we want to set up this as a go-to email. How we can do that? Basically, it is going to be a question of linking. So we are going to select the text or the email that we have, and we are going to click on the text link. So make sure that you have added a text. This method is going to be working on text or buttons. So the things that we can go ahead and link. So even it can be added for images if it is going to be linked or something like that. Click on link, and then we're going to have the option to, for example, email. So you're going to have the enter email address, and you're going to have it right away. So for example, so basically we have here, as you can see, the option. We are going to add it just like that. I am going to repeat the step, and then we are going to have it just like that. So we are going to type in the email address in here, and we're going to set up the body. For example, here in this case, it is going to be a little bit narrow on adding up the here the URL for the specific email, because we have some, as you can see here, a body, it is covered and we cannot look for it. So we are going to make sure that we have at least made this text approximately in here, so we can go ahead and see the body. So I'm going to have this, we're going to see. So this is, as you can see, the body. Now this is the first method. The second method is going to be having to click on mail to, for example, mail to two dots, and it is going to switch up this email to here. So you can go ahead and enter the body, the subject, and etc., or let it as it is in here, empty. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.